Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell 14 Hall driver. Okay, so first method. So guys, go to dell.com. This is officially site. So www.dell.com. After that, click on support and then click on driver download. Then enter the if you have a model number. Otherwise, you can enter the serial number also. Dell 14. Then you can see this is different tag, so which is using, so all the installations process same. Select this, wait few seconds, is this slow down, and there are two options. You can update automatically, and second one, this is manual. So okay, select the driver manually, then select the category, then select the operating system. Okay, so fully close this so we can find chipset and all, driver, keyboard, mouse, network security, storage. So all driver, so application, chipset, mouse, network security, storage, audio also there. So guys, we are tried install one by one. And then chipset, serial driver, and click to download. Then completed, single click to open, then click to yes, then next. Now the serial driver is installing, so you can this is required for the chipset driver. Then always try to install latest driver, latest. And if you are using installing latest driver, and if you are getting the issues and installations process, downloading process, you are getting the issue, so try to second last. Okay, now you can see it is completed and click on close.